Hello everyone, this is the continuation of line integral, and in this video I have solved bit C of the previous question. Okay, so see, bit C is a straight line from 0,3 to 2,4. Now here we can see neither the x limit nor the y limit is constant, so we are going to use this formula for converting this equation into one variable. Okay, so the formula is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This implies y minus y1 is how much? 3. Okay, so y minus 3 by x minus x1 is 0, which is equals to y2 is how much? 4. So 4 minus 3 by x minus x2 minus x2 is 2, so 2 minus 0. Okay, now this gives y minus 3 by x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so this implies 2y minus 6 is equals to x. So we got x is equals to 2y minus 6. Now this is what we are going to use in this equation in the place of x. Fine, and this will convert this equation into one variable, that is y. Okay, so now see, the limit of y is 3 to 4. So integration 3 to 4 2y plus x square. So x is how much? 2y minus 6. Alright, so this is equals to 2y minus 6 whole square. Okay, whole into dx. Dx is how much? Dx by dy is equals to 2. Okay, so dx is equals to 2 dy. Fine, plus 3x. 3x is how much? 6y minus 18 minus y dy. Okay, now this is equals to integration 3 to 4. 2 is taken common outside into 2y plus 4y square minus 24y plus 36 dy. Okay, then whole into 5y minus 18 dy we have taken common, and here is dy. Okay, now this is equals to integration 3 to 4. Now this is 8y square minus this is minus 22, so minus 44y plus 72, and this is plus 5y minus 18 whole into dy. Okay, now this is equals to integration 3 to 4. Now this is 8y square, and this is minus 44y plus 5y, that is minus 39y, and 72 minus 18 is 4, and this is 5, 54 dy. Okay, now this is equals to 8y cube by 3 minus 39y square by 2 and plus 54y. Okay, the limit going from 3 to 4. Okay, so this is equals to 8 by 3, this is 64 minus 27 minus 49 by 2, 16 minus 9. Okay, plus 54 into 4 minus 3, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, which is equals to 8 by 3. 64 minus 27 is 4, and this is 3. minus 39 by 2. 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 9 is 7 plus 54 into 1. Okay, now this is equals to, this is 8 7 56 and 8 3 24, 29 by 3 minus 7 9 63 and 7 3 21, so 273 by 2 plus 54, which is equals to 2 6 12, and this is 19 and this is 5 592 minus 339 3 7 21 and 326 78 by 6. Okay, plus 54. Now 592 minus 819 is minus 227 by 6, and this is plus 6 4 24 and 324 by 6. Now 324 minus 227 is 7 9 97 by 6. So this is the answer. Okay, so here is the next question from this topic, and the question is, evaluate the line integral from z equals to 0 to z equals to 4 plus 2 c given by bit a z is equals to t square plus it. Okay. So bit a, we know that z is equals to x plus iy. Okay, and here in the question it's given that z is equals to t square plus it. Okay, now on comparing these two equations of z, we will get x is equals to t square and y is equals to t. Okay, so now we will find the limit. So for finding the limit, see, it's given that z is equals to 0. Okay, so 0 means this is equals to 0 plus 0i. That means here x is equals to 0 and y is also equals to 0. Okay, then 2 z equals to 4 plus 2y. So z is equals to 4 plus 2y means x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Okay, this is 4 and y is equals to 2. Fine. So here the point is 0 comma 0 and here the point is 4 comma 2. So now we can see that both x and y are given in the form of t. So now we will find the limit for t. Okay, so here x is equals to t square. Hence when x is equals to 0, then t is also equals to 0, and when x is equals to 4, then t is equals to root over of 4, that is 2. Okay, and similarly we can also find the limit for y. So when y is equals to 0, then t is equals to 0, and when y is equals to 2, then t is also equals to 2. In both the cases, for x and y, we are going to get the same value of t as limit. Okay, so we got the limit for this integral, that is t going from 0 to 2. Okay, now we know that z is equals to x plus iy. Okay, so dz is equals to dx plus I dy. Okay, now we know that x is equals to how much? T square. So dx by dt is equals to 2t. Okay, and y is equals to t. So dy by dt is equals to 1. Okay, now the question was what? Integration c z bar dz. Now we will put the value of all this over here. Okay, that is, this is equals to integration 0 to 2 z bar. Z bar means x plus iy whole bar. Okay, so this is x plus iy bar dz. Dz means dx plus I dy. Okay, now this is equals to integration 0 to 2 and into this is x minus iy, and dx is 2t dt. See from here, so it's 2t dt plus dy is dt, so I dt. Now this is equals to integration 0 to 2 x is t square minus I t whole into 2t plus I, and this plus I dt. Okay, now this is equals to integration 0 to 2, and after multiplying we will get this as 2t cube minus 2it square plus it square. Okay, and this is minus I square t dt. Now this is equals to integration 0 to 2, and this is 2t cube minus it square, and this is minus minus plus. See, this I square is what, minus 1, so therefore minus minus plus t dt. Okay, now this is equals to this is 2t 4 by 4. After integrating we will get this. Okay, minus it cube by 3 plus t square by 2, and the limit is going from 0 to 2. So now this is equals to t4 by 2 minus it cube by 3 plus t square by 2, and the limit is going from 0 to 2. Now this is equals to 2 to the power 4 is 16 by 2 minus I, this is 8 by 3 plus t square is 4 by 2. Now this is equals to 8 minus I 8 by 3 plus 2, so this is equals to 10 minus I 8 by 3, and this is the answer. Okay, now let us see bit B. So in bit B it's given that the curve C given by the line from z equals to 0 to z equals to 2i. So when z is equals to 0, this means this is equals to 0 plus 0i. Okay, and when z is equals to 2i, this means that this is equals to 0 plus 2i. Okay, so it means this is 0 0 and this one is 0 2. So here we can see that the lower limit and the upper limit of x is constant, that is 0. Okay, so this implies x is equals to 0 and dx is equals to 0. So the integration, that is integration c z bar dz, is equals to integration y going from 0 to 2. Z bar is what, x minus iy, dz is dx plus I dy. Okay, now we know that dx is equals to 0, so this is equals to integration 0 to 2 minus iy I dy. X is also equals to 0. Okay, so therefore we got this, and this is equals to integration 0 to 2 minus of I square y dy. Okay, now this is equals to, say, integration 0 to 2 minus I square y dy, which is equals to integration 0 to 2 y dy equals to y square by 2, limit going from 0 to 2. Okay, this is equals to 4 by 2 minus 0, which is equals to 2. Now this is the answer for the first part. Now the second part of B is, and then the line from z equals to 2i to z equals to 4 plus 2i. Now z equals to 2i means 0 comma 2, and 4 plus 2i means 4 comma 2. Okay, so we can see that the lower limit and the upper limit of y is same, that is 2. So y is equals to 2, which implies that dy is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore integration x goes from 0 to 4, and this is x minus iy dx plus I dy. Okay, now this is equals to integration 0 to 4 x minus y is how much? 2. So this is 2i into dx. Okay, because dy is equals to 0. Okay, now this is equals to, after integrating we will get x square by 2 minus 2ix. Okay, and the limit goes from 0 to 4. Now this is equals to, this is 1 by 2 into 16 minus 0 minus 2i into 4 minus 0, which is equals to okay, so here 1 by 2, see this is 8 minus this is 8i. Okay, so this is the answer for second part of B. Okay, so the final answer of bit B is the sum of the first part and the second part. Okay, so the answer of first part is 2 and the answer of second part is 8 minus 8i. Okay, so the final answer is 2 plus 8 minus 8i, which is equals to 10 minus 8i. So this is the final answer of bit B.